Excuse me.
She's royal, yeah, so royal, and I need her in my life.
Hey Rules! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, you're very, very much welcome. If you're one of my loyal Royal subscribers, welcome back. I missed you. I have BAE here today. This is BAE, and it was sent to me from So Good Shop. This is the wig I will be reviewing for you guys today, and it is a Vivica A. Fox wig. This is a lace front wig, and it has natural baby hairs. It also has a hand-tied Swiss lace parting. So it has the invisible lace part and an invisible center. So I'm going to open it up and show it to you. They sent it to me in the color number 1. I kind of don't know if I don't know what I'm gonna get, and that's probably one of the reasons why I chose this one, because it looks so like out of this. It's not really, you just don't know what you're gonna get, and sometimes those kind of wigs can be the fun ones because you can tailor them or they surprise you. This is curling iron safe, 356 to 392 Fahrenheit, and it is a pure stretch cap, which I believe makes it nice and stretchy, which makes it big head friendly, but we're gonna find out once I put it on my head. It has a comb at the nape. It has 2 right by the parting area, and the parting looks like this. So it only has lace parting, and well, it only has lace, like real lace, above the, right around the hairline where you're gonna cut, but then also right by the part. So you don't have a full area to part here, but this is actually a middle part wig. It's advertised as a middle part wig anyway. Now the Swiss lace is silky soft, no scratch, which I like. It's undetectable and resilient. Now fresh out the pack, this is what the wig is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head, but I'm gonna just talk about the texture of the wig. Almost like when you get a perm, that kind of thick, silky feeling, that's what I'm getting from this. It will have issues over time. You don't want to wear this over and over and over and over without putting it on a wig cap at night, on a wig mannequin at night, and brushing it out just to make sure that you take out any tangle. If you're going to wear it every day, it won't last more than a month or 2, depending on how good you are with taking care of your wigs. A month or 2 vibes of like wear, and the ends are going to start swelling up and looking crazy. So you want to make sure you use a wig brush with this wig. You want to make sure you take care of this wig. You want to make sure you put on a wig mannequin. You don't just leave it around. If it ruffles up enough, it will start looking crazy. So that is what I want to say about the texture. But it's very thick and full, so I like that. Now I do like the wave pattern, but it's kind of weird because the back of the hair, it's like a straight, it's got these straight pieces, like these straight pieces, I don't know if you can see, that kind of just curve and go down. Versus right here on the sides, it's kind of like a wave that goes out. You have some in the bottom that are kind of like actual waves. So I'm trying to figure out the exact texture they were going for, or the look that they were going for. I think they were really trying to focus on making the sides flare out, right? To give you that kind of dream girls look. I would more so rather, I'm gonna put it on my head, but I think I would rather have it do this, do the nice little flip all the way through and give me a nice bodied wig, versus the back. It looks weird because now the texture is off in the back. It's not all the way through. So I don't know, maybe that's gonna be something that I end up liking, but I don't know if you can see the stock card. That is exactly what it looks like here. Okay, so sorry guys, I feel like I'm looking a bit orangey. I don't know what just happened, but my complexion changed. I don't know. I'm a little, I don't know, guys. And really, it's all about finger combing it. You can brush it. I would take the brush and kind of flare it out some. No, that's like too much. No, yeah, it actually helps give the shape that you need, but it's just not my favorite wig. I don't know. And mind you, I did put heat on. It's kind of snug. I don't think this is a very big head friendly wig. Like I said, it's really snug. It's actually very snug. You would have to wear, I think you would have to wear some earrings. So it just so happens that I'm wearing these kind of earrings. You would want to wear some type of earrings that fall to kind of compensate with the wig to make it like really pop, and give it a little bit of give it some zhuzh. I don't know if I could ever wear it without that. Otherwise, I would be, you see, you make the difference. I mean, you could, some can, but I like it with the earrings. So you can see the back. Okay. Yeah, I do like the length. The length is really comfortable, very summery. But if you don't finger comb it properly and like get your style out of it, you definitely will not like this, because you need to have some type of accessory, something. I think that just putting this on your head and going without thinking of the outfit you're gonna wear with it, like I think my outfit just so happens to go with this wig right now, and the earrings. I think that's what helps it kind of just look a little more stylish, a little more cute. But if I was just to be wearing a t-shirt, or a t-shirt and some studs, or a t-shirt and no earrings, I don't know if this would still work. What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think. Feels good. It's comfortable. It's very light. It's snug. It is snug. I want to say that it's snug. I have some good stretch in here that it may work for somebody, but I don't feel that it's big head friendly. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below so that I can answer them for you. And don't forget to check out So Good Shop. Thanks So Good for sending me this wig. I am so excited to review for you guys again. And if you guys have any questions about So Good, their link is down in the description box, as well as the link to this wig. If you would like to purchase it, do not forget to subscribe, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.